In the summer of 1992, a young woman vanished after a backyard party in a quiet Canadian town. The case went cold, witnesses faded, and only one strange clue remained: a piece of chewing gum stuck under a picnic bench. For decades, the gum sat in an evidence locker, labeled and untouched, until new DNA technology gave detectives a second chance. Before I tell you what happened next, subscribe. I break down cold cases like this every week. Scientists extracted a degraded DNA profile from the gum, ran it through modern databases, and got a match to a man who'd never been a suspect before. The discovery forced police to reopen the file, re-interview witnesses, and search memories people thought were buried. Some questions remained. Was the match proof of guilt, or could contamination explain it? The town waited as the investigation moved from dusty boxes to courtroom possibility.